see what's inside. Pumpkin suddenly shakes. Then achoo! The pumpkin sneezes out a huge burst of colorful candy flying everywhere. Wait a second, did that pumpkin just sneeze candy? Achoo!